Hello there. Which digital platform are you watching this today? Isn't it marvelous how digitization has changed the way we function? Amidst this conflict between real and virtual, the world has learned to function on the bias of the latter. Our perception of a business's strength is dependent on the strength of its digital presence, amongst other things. And in such times, IT companies have used this upsurge to cement their foundation and give us the digital sphere.
Zealous Technologies is a firm functioning within the lucrative domain of the IT industry. With the promise of providing full spectrum services such as web development, mobile application development, digital marketing, and IT consultation, we have been operating in this domain for 17 years now. But just like Batman needs his Robin to fight the crimes in the city and protect its people, every firm needs a skilled team to provide efficient services. But let's first find out what a prospective job hunter looks for in an IT firm.
I would consider following points before joining in any company, whether it aids my professional or personal growth. Secondly, if it allows a culture of open, transparent and healthy internal competition and communication. Thirdly, if the package is in sync with what market is offering, so package should be competitive.
So there are many points which I take into consideration before joining a company. If we go short, the first thing which I would look for and look into a company, and that would be company's culture and environment, which is for me the first and foremost thing. And second thing would be will I be getting a opportunity so that I can showcase my expertise and knowledge. And yes, Zealous Web has proved that.
Let me segregate into two parts. So when we join a company, we should look through the company's profile, check their solution services they provide, and also check the company's existence in terms of the resources and into the industry. On the other side, we also should check about our capabilities, our deliverables, and the skills we hold in to deliver to the company.
So there are two important points to be taken in the consideration. First, what role you are signing in, the financial and business health of the company. Second is the culture, environment, and your personal growth does matter.
These were a few points that you need to take into consideration while looking for a job. But let's now look at the perks of being a Zealosian.
So we have been providing the digital transformation services for almost 13 years now. And from beginning, we have been looking for leaders at every level. Specifically, this region is known for producing the leaders. So it was very easy decision for us to choose this particular region to start our base. Apart from this, we always wanted to have a work-life balance for all the employees that we hire. Spending time in commuting from office to the home and home to the office kills a lot of time that they could probably spend with their friends and family. This particular region has a less traffic issue as and all, and probably takes around 20-30 minutes, hardly daily in routine time. Probably that allows them to spend more time with their friends and family. So that is another reason why we decided to have our development center based in Ahmedabad.
Zealous Web has four major service lines. The first service line is web design and development. The second is digital marketing. Third is mobile application, and the fourth is IT consulting. We do a lot of graphic design, video production, branding, rebranding as a part of web design. On the web development side, we work on all e-commerce platforms, CMS platform, and on the Microsoft platform as well. On the digital side, we do a lot of SEO, SMM, PPC kind of things. And on the mobile application sides, we work on native apps as well as hybrid app. The fourth service line, that is IT consulting. Now, to answer your second question, why did we choose the IT domain? We want to make that impact. We want to reach out to a larger group and the technology to work for people, to add the value to the people. So that's the reason to expand that horizon or to reach out to the maximum people, we choose the IT domain. And the third question, which is related to the core value of Zealous Web, IQRT. So that is integrity, quality, relationship and transparency. These are the 4 core values of Zealous Web. We take baby steps with our partners, clients and vendors, but we never compromise on the core values of Zealous.
There are many things I like about working at Zealous Web. It's friendly environment, good culture and not too many restrictions. But my personal favorite is the freedom to try new things and implement them.
I was lucky enough to identify my fortes from early on in my career, and dissecting the project requirements, providing the right digital solutions to the clients was something that came very easy and naturally to me, and that is what got me into consulting. Zealous Web gave me that platform to help me identify my true potential, nurture my talents, and give me that luxury to make a career out of it, and also give back to the community in whatever small way that I can. And not many organizations give this luxury to their employees, and I, for one, having been at the receiving end, to have this luxury and liberty to choose the career path that I wanted based on the sheer talent, I believe that is the sole reason why I would suggest anyone should choose to work for Zealous Web.
I have been working here in Zealous Web since last 5 years. At the beginning of my career, I worked on file transfer application. Then I have developed custom emoji keyboard applications. After that, I have worked on a couple of business applications. Since last year, I have been working on IoT project. So what I want to say that I got a chance to work on varieties of projects that are not similar to the others. Also, it is very important to implement a new technology because it changes frequently. The management allows me to implement it whenever it is needed. So it helped me to improve as an individual developer and a team leader. Apart from that, here people are so friendly and supportive. I got a good friend, so I must say all credit goes to Zealous Web.
Zealous Web company is the right place for me to exhibit all my skills. I can learn more and explore my expertise. Before joining Zealous Web, what I was and today what I am, I can see my level in terms of performance, my skills, my experience, my expertise has been increasing day by day, because Zealous Web is always giving opportunity to their employees.
So it has a very productive culture that lets you experiment with various domains of interest. I work as a digital marketing executive, but Zealous Web enabled me to work with my passion along with my profession, and that allowed me to sleep better at night.
Zealous Web culture helped me maintaining my work-life balance as it has flexible working hours. It has also provided me many opportunities so that I can showcase my strength and expertise. We are also getting many rewards, and that motivates us to work harder and also in an efficient way.
One thing that pumps me every day to wake up and come to Zealous Web, that is Zealous Web culture. Yeah, and it's not only include from the top management, but it's also include from the top to bottom level of all the persons. They are very supportive and very friendly. So when you have anything in your mind like bad or a good thing, you just don't hesitate and you just go to the top management and describe your points, and they listen to your point and they act on your point also. So yes, that is the main thing that I like to Zealous Web.
Actually, reward systems acts as a constructive and positive feedback, whether you are working in a positive direction or not, or whether you are adding a value to the client. So it's a consistent loop where you get a feedback that you are going in the right direction. So it's quite motivating, as well as it helps me make consistent improvements.
They're not just a monetary reward system, but also makes us realize that what our hard work can achieve, and it also works as a power booster to our minds, and also make us drive towards to our passionate for working for our career.
Reward system in an organization is important for both individual satisfaction and organization effectiveness. Employees should be rewarded when they meet large goals as well as small milestones. Organizations should organize this as at specific intervals like monthly or quarterly and project-wise awards. This will encourage employees that they have got the recognition of their work, and this will also encourage other employees to join in the race.
It is actually a very good initiative. Let me start with that. It enhances the positive attitude among team members and create a healthy competition between them.
Talent acquisition is a crucial process of any organization because this is the stage wherein you need to hire someone who is not just technically sound but also fits the company's culture. This is where most of the organizations fail. Now, talking about the recruitment process that we follow here in ZealousWeb, we have been fairly successful and effective. Basically, we have 4 rounds of interviews. So initially we do a phone screening of the candidates on call, and based on our conversation, we forward the candidate to the respective hiring manager. So this helps us get an initial understanding of where the candidate is coming from and what he is looking for. So once he's shortlisted and he's called in for an interview, we have an HR round wherein we get an in-depth understanding of the individual's candidature. And this conversation basically bridges the gap between the hiring manager's needs and the candidate's expectations. Then comes the technical and the practical round. This basically helps us understand the individual's technical capabilities as well as his practical and hands-on experience. Then there is the final round with the management. This is the stage. This stage is actually very crucial because this is where an overall evaluation of the candidates takes place, wherein the management judges the candidate's profile or his candidature based on different parameters, ranging from his technical knowledge all the way to his cultural adaptability. So we have tried to keep this process minimal and fast so that it is efficient for both the parties, be it the hiring manager or the candidate.
So our vision for the prospective employees is our core values, that is the integrity and the transparency at every level. So we want people to be very honest, not only with us but with our clients as well. And also we wanted them to be transparent as well, so that we can plan our projects as well as our other work schedules as well. So that are the 2 most important things apart from the skills that we look for, because we believe that people can be trained, but these are the 2 things that you always look from the people, which is hard to find. So that's the main thing that we are looking for, the prospective candidates that we would hire in the future.
If you are very passionate about your skill and very serious about to grow your career, then and want to do as you like, then without wasting your time, choose ZealousWeb.
You may come across a plethora of opportunities, and it is difficult to choose just one from the lot of them. We have just given you a few reasons to join ZealousWeb. Join us today to discover your ultimate potential.